Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of Versatile Knowledge. So finally we have a product for unboxing on our channel, and this time it's a very special product, and it's the Amazon Echo Spot. This product is available on Amazon for 13,000 rupees and you can buy it from the links in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the box package of the Amazon Echo Spot. It comes covered in this brilliant polythene bag. So let's get rid of this polythene bag and take a look at the box itself. This is the outer covering of the Amazon Echo Spot device. It has some regulatory information, pricing details, place where this was manufactured and other details mentioned on it. Let's tear open the seal and take a look at the box components of the Amazon Echo Spot. So this is the Amazon Echo Spot personal assistant device. It's cute, right? Now let's keep it to the side and take a look at other components inside the box. This contains the power adapter, and these are some paperwork like warranty and user manual. As we said earlier, this is the power adapter needed to supply power to the Amazon Echo Spot. It is a thick 15 watt power brick which should always be connected to the Echo Spot device, as it does not have a portability feature. So always you need to connect the Echo Spot with the power adapter. Once the Echo Spot is turned on for the first time, this optimizing screen pops up. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes to initialize for the first time. Once it's ready to be set up, we have to select the device language from the language selection screen. Once we have selected the language, next we have to go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi network by entering the password of our respective Wi-Fi. And then we have to enter the Amazon email ID and password. Finally, an introductory video will be played for you.
Stylish compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your study desk or bedside table. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
At 8 a.m., there's yoga class, and at 7:30 p.m. there's Rahul's birthday celebration.
Alexa, message Pooja.
What's the message?
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Sending message.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. Alexa, play the latest Bollywood songs.
Playing the latest Bollywood songs.
And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs throughout your home across multiple Echo devices. Alexa, play music everywhere.
Playing music everywhere.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night. To play relaxing music, enjoy your new Echo Spot.
This device is ready.
On this beautiful rear side of the Amazon Echo Spot, there are two ports. One on the left is to connect the power adapter, and one on the right is the traditional 3.5mm headphone jack port. You can connect the power cord just like how I am doing in the video clip right now. On the top surface of the Amazon Echo Spot, there are three buttons. Two buttons on the left and right are to increase and decrease the volume, and the button in the middle is to turn off the microphone or the camera. There is a circular 2.5 inches LCD display on the front surface with a resolution of 480 x 480, which provides good viewing angles even if you are viewing while sitting or standing. And on the bottom surface, there is a speaker grill which covers the whole bottom surface of the Amazon Echo Spot. On the front surface, there is a small camera placed along those bezels which helps you to do some video calling with other Alexa users. And this is the home screen interface of the Echo Spot, which has the clock face. Pulling down from the top opens up a lot of options like brightness controller, night mode, the settings icon to go into settings, the alarms, the routines, and a lot of other options like smart home controlling system as well. Directly you can control the brightness by using that lever, and you can check your routines that you have set on the Amazon Echo Spot, and also you can control your home lights directly from the home screen interface. In the settings, you will be presented with a lot of options starting with Bluetooth, which helps you to connect your phone to the Echo Spot, followed by the network settings, which helps you to connect to your respective Wi-Fi networks that is present in your home or any place that you stay. Then there is the home and clock option, which helps you to select from 4 different clock faces, or you can even set your face as a home screen. The 4 different clock faces that we mentioned are bold vibrant, neon pastel, pop color, and the vinyl clock face. We can set any clock face of our choice to our home screen to decorate it. And in the display settings, we can set the adaptive or automatic brightness to our Amazon Echo Spot device. Now I'll give you a quick demo of how good this ambient light sensor or the automatic brightness feature on the Amazon Echo Spot works. The auto brightness sensor on the Amazon Echo Spot adjusts the brightness of the screen really well as per the surrounding brightness or the surrounding light conditions. And in the sound settings, there are options where you can set your notification, the ringer volumes, the alarm volumes to your desired levels, including the ascending volume increase option for your alarm tones. And there are also options where you can set your different alarm tones and ringers. In the do not disturb settings, we can set the schedule D&D modes to make sure both your Echo Spot and you sleep for some time. And in the settings, there is another option called the communication settings. In the communication settings, it helps you to remind if any incoming calls are coming onto your smartphone. And there is this device options, which gives you information like your name, your address, and you can change the wake word for the device from Alexa to 3 other options. And there are several different options for checking software updates, factory reset, etc. And then there is an option where you can block offensive content on your Echo Spot by using the restrict access settings. Finally, you can get inputs from the Echo Spot device itself on what all are the things that she can do for you in the things to try option that is present in the settings. Now, we'll ask our little Echo Spot some questions and see whether she answers them or not. Alexa, what is your name?
My name is Alexa. नाम तो सुना होगा.
Alexa, what is the date today?
Today is Friday, March 29th.
Alexa, when is the next RCB match?
Royal Challengers Bangalore will play on Sunday at 4 p.m. in Hyderabad against Sunrisers Hyderabad.
Alexa, what is the weather in Bangalore?
In Bengaluru, Karnataka, it's 33 degrees Celsius with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast is more of the same, with a high of 36 degrees and a low of 20 degrees.
Alexa, how far is Bangalore Palace from my home?
I found a Bangalore Palace. It is 10.2 kilometers away in Bengaluru. Business hours for this establishment are not available.
Alexa, can you play some Kannada songs?
Here's a station for Kannada music, Top Kannada, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, change next song. Alexa, play Hindi music.
Here's a station for Hindi music, Top Bollywood, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, go home. Alexa, stop the music. Alexa, open settings.
Here settings.
Alexa, thank you for your help.
Anytime.
Alexa, set the volume to 6. Alexa, can you please decrease the volume to 1? Alexa, set the volume to 9. Alexa, you're very intelligent.
Thanks.
Alexa, can you play radio?
Getting the last tune-in station you listened to, Big 98.5.
Alexa, can you tell me what is the time in Sweden?
The time in Sweden is 8:59 a.m.
Alexa, who is the President of United States?
The United States President is Donald Trump.
Alexa, what is his net worth?
Donald Trump's net worth is $3.1 billion.
Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. in the morning with some devotional music.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Hindi devotional songs on Amazon Music.
So guys, that was it for the first impressions, unboxing and the first look of the Amazon Echo Spot device. Please stay tuned to my channel as I'll be bringing the full in-depth review of the Amazon Echo Spot device, and in that video I'll be also explaining the Amazon Alexa app which they have designed to control this Amazon Echo Spot device. So if you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button as we are your source for all the latest updates in the world of technology. Thank you for watching, guys.